Well, good morning to you all, and welcome to day 3 in LEAP. سعد الله صباحكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Would like to start off by welcoming you all to the third version of LEAP, and what an amazing success it has been. Also, I would like to welcome our esteemed guests from outside Saudi Arabia to our beloved kingdom. And if you allow me, I would like to start by thanking you for your trust, not only for your business and investment, which is extremely important, but as well for sharing your knowledge and insight, industry expertise with us during this conference, as well as sharing your dreams that are being made possible in this age of AI by this perfect harmony between man and machine. Yesterday, as part of the announcement, we saw the announcement of AWS Cloud in the region. And by this, Saudi Arabia will have all the major cloud providers, AWS, Microsoft, Google, Alibaba, Oracle, and many others. And to help us really utilize this computing power that's being built, we leaned on one of our oldest technology partners in the kingdom for more than 8 decades, IBM, who are bringing their software lab to Saudi Arabia so that software and applications can be developed in Saudi Arabia, for Saudi Arabia and the region and the rest of the world. We have also seen one of our great energy national champions, Aqua Power, through Data Vault, announcing their sustainable energy data center, 300 megawatt, which is going to set the standard for renewable energy data centers going forward. And to make all this possible, we've seen announcement by some of the key building blocks and tools to help all of this come to life by ServiceNow, UiPath, and Data Vault. This will all help our dreamers, our entrepreneurs and startups take their ideas, their amazing ideas, into execution in a matter of weeks. And to complement what Alat has announced a few weeks ago in terms of localizing the supply chain, we saw our partner Dell announce their local manufacturing here in Saudi Arabia. But all of this was day 1. We still have 3 more days to go. So please enjoy the rest of your LEAP and stay tuned for further announcement. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful LEAP. Thank you very much.